Good evening everybody, this is Sarah here from Essentially Flowers Training and Create a Magical Business. I wanted to connect with you this evening because I know it's been a very tough day for many people, in fact for everybody. And I'm not going to talk politics here, I'm not even going to mention the words. But what I wanted to do was to share with you a way that I use flower essences topically when I need to calm my mind and to soothe my heart. And you can use this in a very safe way, and I'm sensing that it's really going to help today. So what you're going to need to do this is you're going to need Cerato flower essence. So this is one of the batch flower essences. This is a Nelson's one, but usually I use healing herbs, but I just happen to have the Nelson's bottle here with me this evening. So Cerato is a very pretty blue flower, tiny blue flower, and its signature is to help us know our own truth. And it's really good when we look outside ourselves for external verification and acknowledgement of what we really feel. And I'm sensing that that is something that today we do an awful lot, is that we're frightened to speak up, we fear judgment from others, we fear what others might say. And it's really all about looking inside yourself. And for several years now, it's actually been really hard for me to watch the television. I try sometimes just to be kind of like a normal person, but it really isn't something that works well for me, because actually what my soul is calling for is quietness and to know my own truth. And this is what Cerato is really useful for. So as you may know, I'm a flower essence practitioner. Hang on a minute, I've just got to turn that off my phone. There we go. I'm a flower essence practitioner. I'm also a trainer in flower essences, and I run a very successful diploma in practitioner diploma in flower and vibrational medicine. I'm also a qualified practitioner of floral acupuncture, and this is the book that that you may already have if you use flower essences, that you can find out about all the acupuncture points that you can place the batch essences upon. So this is what I'm kind of referring to tonight, but if you don't have this book, don't worry, because I'm going to show you how to do it. So floral acupuncture is a really simple and very effective way of applying batch essences to specific acupuncture points, and you do need this book in order to do it, and it's all explained in the book. The book is written by Deborah Craden and Warren Bellows. Fabulous way of treating yourself. So what you're going to need to do the Cerato Floral Acupuncture treatment is the Cerato essence, a little cup of warm water, and also a piece of cotton wool or tissue, something like that. It's just something that you can dip in the water. Now I've just used an egg cup here. It's important that it's warm water so that your cells actually open on application. So what you're going to do is you're going to put, I can open the bottle, here we go, just one drop of the flower essence into your little cup of water, and you're going to find heart 7 on the heart meridian. So if you take the little finger edge of your wrist, and let me bring this close up for you. Now the heart 7, you can Google this if you want to know more, on me is actually quite obvious, which is good because I've used it a lot in my life. But if you go down below the wrist of the hand, there's a little, on this very edge, there's a little hollow that you can feel. On me, it's just there. Now you're going to do this on both sides of your wrists. It's on heart 7. And how you're going to do that is dip in your bit of cotton wool into this little cup that you've just put, and you're just going to wipe over this area once you've applied, obviously put the Cerato in, and then you're going to do the same the other side, on both sides. And really that is it. And then what you're going to do that is be very quiet, be very still for at least half an hour. Now we did this, I showed this weekend past, some beautiful, I call them flowers, participants of my practitioner diploma in vibrational medicine, flower and vibrational medicine, came to Bordeaux for one of our weekends. And during this weekend, we looked at floral acupuncture and topical treatments. And many of them, we took some time out during the day to actually do a floral acupuncture treatment. And many of them chose to do Cerato. And it was extraordinary how, after doing it, many of them wanted to go to sleep, they calmed, their minds stopped working, and just a profound sense of relaxation came over them. So, over the next few days, if you feel the need, and this can happen at any time, it's the need just to quieten your mind down and to know your own truth and your own way forward, I really, really recommend that you take a look at applying Cerato to these 2 points. And hopefully, just by watching this, it's given you a little bit of hope as to how you can connect with your heart and your own truth forward. So I wish you many blessings, and remember, your soul knows your way forward. Okay, until next time. Bye-bye.